Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'm sorry for this poor brightness, but I'm sure that this video is going to be worthy enough for all the people who ever wanted to create Instagram page. So coming to my introduction before going to the video. This is Jahnavi and you're watching Study with Jahnavi channel. And now let's move into the phone screen recording. The main thing to create your Instagram page is you need to have Instagram account. So you can just easily sign up to your Instagram account whatever they have asked you for the credentials. So just click on the icon. I have just created it before 10 minutes. You can just see it here, right? Click on the icon again that I am highlighting. You can just see here many options. Just click on settings option and you can get many more options right here. Just click on account option. So if you just scroll down, you can just see this switch to professional account. I'm just highlighting here. So if you just click on that, you get this interface that creator or business. We are not business magnets, so most of you people we need to select is creator option that I am highlighting. So just click on creator option. After clicking on that, we have three availabilities and click on next here. So we need to select category. We have number of categories available here, that is fashion designer, many other categories. So my YouTube channel is all about education, right? So I'm just selecting it as education website and click on done. And also I'm just enabling display category label. It just shows on our Instagram page that is like it is an educational website. Okay, it is asking me to fill all these details. As I have said that I have just created but I did not give any details, so it is asking me now to do all these. So I am writing a bio for a reference to show you. You can write a more interesting bio according to your website or according to your YouTube channel. Okay, I have just cleared this step. And also we can follow some other Instagrammers. So as I have said, I did not follow anyone as I just created it before 10 minutes. I'm just clicking a random one. So yes, I have followed and just clicking on next. So yes, it is done. And also you can just share your posts, videos, whatever it may be. I'm just showing you, it is very easy to access. So just this point is okay, and just clicking on cross button again. I'll just say you one thing is that we need to give a easy name to find our Instagram page. Okay, I'm just giving my YouTube channel name only. My YouTube channel name is Study with Jan. Okay, you can have promotions option after enabling Instagram page. You can just see promotions and insights option after creating Instagram page. Okay, that's it for this Instagram page. And yes, hope this video is going to be definitely help you all. If you still have any doubts, you can just comment me below or you can just mail me. The mail will be on the screen right here displaying. Yes, and also you can just suggest me the topics in the comments or in the mail as usual. And that's it for this session. I hope you all like this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you will get all my notifications on. Thank you.